Hey YouTube, welcome back for another unboxing. I'm sure you can tell that there's a theme. Yes, we are building a new computer. We are retiring the old AMD system here. I've been rocking it for 8 years. It's time to retire it. I am passing it on to my brother-in-law actually. He wants to get into PC gaming. It's still quite capable. It's still play all the AAA titles. But I wanted to treat myself to a new computer. So, to cool the new system, at least the new CPU, we're going with the Corsair H150i Pro RGB. That should provide enough cooling. At some point in the near future, I would like to do a dual custom loop for both the CPU as well as the RTX 2080. Hopefully by that time it'll be dual RTX 2080 Ti's. So let's go ahead and get on with it, and we'll get this puppy out of the box. So let's go ahead and get this puppy unboxed. We'll be using the trusty unboxing knife. And so, like most Corsair products, they always open from one end. So we'll get this open. We'll set that off to the side for now. Some sort of paperwork. Not sure what. So you have your warranty guide. Put that down there. No fucking idea what that is. And probably a quick start guide that would probably show you, I mean, obviously what comes in the box, but like your different brackets you need depending on if you're mounting this to an AMD system or a Intel system. And you get 320 ml Corsair fans, which are their new Megalith fans. They're supposed to be really quiet. Well, we'll see about that because I've never had them, so I can't vouch whether they're going to be quiet or not. So we'll set those off to the side. And then we get all our lovely goodies, which has our Intel backplate. Looks like a AMD bracket, all the different assortments of hardware that you need, as well as your Corsair link cable to control it. And the cooler itself, it does have thermal paste pre-applied. I will be cleaning that off because I did order as well some thermal grizzly Cryonaut, which is a lot better than what they've pre-installed. So that's the cooler itself, 360 mil rad pump, and coming off the pump you do have a few different connections here. You have a SATA power, to power giving RGB the pump and your fans. You have a fan header here, which then splits off into the 3 fans that will be mounting on the rad. Now you also don't have to use this. If you have a hub controller or something in your machine, you can use that if you want. More than likely, I will probably just be hooking up to this. These can sometimes be difficult to cable manage depending on the case that you have. You will have to just stay tuned to see what case all this hardware is going to be crammed into. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to drop a comment below, hit that thumbs up, and if you didn't like the video, leave it a thumbs down, and maybe leave in the comment section below Give me why you gave it a thumbs down, what you didn't like about it. As well as don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as the bell notification to be notified when I do upload new videos. So stay tuned, and I will see you in the next one.